Welcome back to Motor Empire 007. What if I told you that Honda once built a motorcycle so outrageous, so futuristic, and so different from everything else on the road that even today, more than 2 decades later, people still stop and stare when it passes by? A machine that looks like it rolled straight out of a science fiction movie rather than a motorcycle factory. Well, that's exactly what we're exploring today. The legendary Honda Rune. The Honda Rune isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It's an engineering masterpiece. It's a rolling work of art that challenged every traditional motorcycle design rule and created something the world had never seen before. Even among exotic motorcycles, the Rune stands in a category of its own. At first glance, the Rune looks almost unreal. The stretched out body, the massive front fender, the flowing lines and the futuristic proportions make it look more like a concept vehicle than a production motorcycle. Yet Honda actually put this incredible machine into production, proving that imagination and engineering could come together to create something truly extraordinary. The story of the Rune began when Honda wanted to showcase what was possible when designers and engineers were given the freedom to dream big. Instead of focusing purely on sales numbers or practical transportation, Honda set out to build a motorcycle that would inspire passion and admiration. The result was a machine that immediately became one of the most distinctive motorcycles ever produced. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Rune is its appearance. Every angle reveals something unique. The sweeping bodywork flows seamlessly from front to rear, creating a design that feels almost organic. Unlike traditional cruisers that rely on exposed mechanical components, the Rune wraps much of its engineering beneath elegant body panels, creating a clean and futuristic appearance. The front end is perhaps the most eye-catching feature. The massive front fender stretches dramatically over the wheel, giving the motorcycle an unmistakable presence. Combined with the long wheelbase and low-slung stance, the Rune creates a silhouette that remains unforgettable. Even parked among luxury motorcycles, it instantly becomes the center of attention. Powering this incredible machine is Honda's legendary flat-six engine. Derived from the famous Goldwing platform, this power plant delivers smooth, effortless performance that perfectly matches the Rune's luxury-focused personality. The six-cylinder engine provides exceptional refinement while producing a deep and distinctive exhaust note that sets it apart from traditional V-twin cruisers. When you twist the throttle, the Rune responds with confidence and authority. The power delivery is smooth and linear, making acceleration feel effortless. Rather than delivering aggressive bursts of power, the engine focuses on providing a refined riding experience that encourages long-distance cruising and relaxed enjoyment. Another remarkable feature is the motorcycle's suspension system. Honda equipped the Rune with a unique front suspension design that not only enhances performance, but also contributes to the bike's futuristic appearance. This advanced setup helps maintain stability while creating a riding experience that feels remarkably composed for a motorcycle of its size. The wheel design is another detail that showcases Honda's dedication to craftsmanship. Every component appears carefully sculpted and engineered to complement the overall aesthetic. The wheels look like pieces of modern art, perfectly matching the motorcycle's bold and innovative character. Comfort was also a major priority during the Rune's development. The seating position is relaxed and inviting, allowing riders to enjoy extended journeys without unnecessary fatigue. The wide seat, stretched ergonomics, and cruiser-inspired layout create a riding experience focused on comfort and confidence. Despite its dramatic appearance, the Rune remains surprisingly approachable once you're in the saddle. Honda's engineering expertise ensures that the motorcycle feels balanced and manageable. Riders quickly discover that beneath the exotic styling lies the reliability and quality that Honda is known for around the world. One reason the Rune became such a legend is its exclusivity. Honda never intended this motorcycle to become a mass-market product. Instead, it was designed as a showcase of creativity and engineering excellence. As a result, relatively few units were produced, making the Rune one of the most desirable collector motorcycles ever created. Collectors and enthusiasts often regard the Rune as one of Honda's greatest achievements. Its rarity, unique design, and historical significance have helped it maintain an almost mythical status within the motorcycle community. Many owners treat their Runes as treasured possessions, carefully preserving them for future generations. What makes the Rune even more special is that it represents a period when manufacturers were willing to take bold risks. In today's motorcycle industry, practicality and market demands often influence design decisions. The Rune, however, was created with passion at its core. It was built because Honda wanted to prove that extraordinary ideas could become reality. Even years after its introduction, the motorcycle continues to attract attention wherever it goes. People who know nothing about motorcycles are often fascinated by its appearance. Enthusiasts admire its engineering. Collectors appreciate its rarity. And riders enjoy the unique experience it provides on the open road. The chrome detailing deserves special recognition as well. From the exhaust system to the intricate finishing touches, every polished surface reflects Honda's commitment to premium craftsmanship. The level of detail is remarkable, especially considering the complexity of the motorcycle's design. Looking at the Rune today, it's easy to understand why it remains such an icon. It doesn't follow trends. It doesn't try to imitate other motorcycles. Instead, it confidently embraces its own identity. That originality is one of the main reasons it continues to captivate motorcycle enthusiasts around the world. For many riders, owning a Rune isn't just about transportation. It's about owning a piece of motorcycle history. It's about experiencing one of the most ambitious projects ever undertaken by a major manufacturer. It's about celebrating innovation, creativity, and engineering excellence. The Honda Rune stands as proof that motorcycles can be more than machines. They can be works of art. They can inspire emotion. They can challenge expectations and redefine what's possible. Few motorcycles have managed to leave such a lasting impression on the industry, and even fewer continue to feel as futuristic today as they did when they first appeared. As we come to the end of today's journey, one thing becomes clear. The Honda Rune wasn't designed to blend in. It was designed to stand out, to inspire, and to remind us that true innovation often comes from daring to be different. Whether you're a collector, a cruiser enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates extraordinary engineering, the Rune remains one of the most unforgettable motorcycles ever created. So, what do you think about this incredible machine? Would you add the legendary Honda Rune to your dream motorcycle collection? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing motorcycle story. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure right here on Motor Empire 007.